Hey miners, Mining King here. Today, we're going to be checking out what's in that box today. But before we get into that, here's a word from our sponsor. Flux Pools would like to announce a new weekly lottery for loyal miners that support the project. As you might already know, Flux Labs is operated by people from the Flux team. Our goal is to provide a safe and transparent mining experience. While the Flux project does not take directly from the pool, we do give a portion of our fees back to the Flux project because we understand that the project and the miners are what make this pool possible. Flux has given away nearly 5,000 Flux a month back to miners, and they have decided to reward even more miners during this time of uncertainty. The new weekly Flux lottery gives 5 lucky miners $50 each in Flux every week with 95% uptime required. There are 11 months remaining in this program and replaces the $1,000 in Flux monthly giveaway. All mining and parallel asset fees are waived until October 5th. This is on top of their weekly loyalty program. The giveaway prize will be sent directly to the mining address and nowhere else. Please do not mine directly to an exchange. Your rewards may be lost as a result. Please check out Flux Pools for a great place to mine. Alright guys, you guys seen the short I did on Thursday. As you guys know, I've been ramping up for some home servers here. So, what did you guys think this is? What could it be? Why don't we open it up together? Well, if you guys know anything about servers, you gotta have a proper server rack. I'm not 100% certain where I'm gonna place this. I need to see how loud my server is gonna be with those 1U fans. It might come out here, it might go in the laundry room, but we'll see. So let's get this thing cut open a little bit more and let's start building this thing. So here is the rack I got. This is the StarTech 25U adjustable server rack. So has caster wheels and stuff like that. All right guys, so the rack is built. And as you can see, I have my server on it. It's been about a day since I built it. I realized that when I bought the server, I thought it was in the listing. I checked the box again, but the server rails are not here. So I had to order some. And if you don't know anything about Enterprise, just realize that they try to get you coming or going either way. So just for the rail system to be able to put this in here is like $100. Pay attention to that when you're looking at your listing. All right, over here we have my 24 port. This is a Keystone style patch panel. So essentially you just have to get your cable, punch it down, and then you put the keystone through. I know there's some patch panels that you actually just punch down the actual cables to. So I thought this might be a little bit easier. We'll see. So this is only a 24 port patch panel. I'm just getting this one at first. If I need another one, that's cool. I'll buy another one just because of, I'm not sure if I'm going to utilize all this. I do have a 48 port switch coming in just because of cost. Because the 24 port switches and the 48 port switches were pretty much priced the same used on eBay, so I'm like, why not just get a 48 port? We have 250 feet of monoprice Cat 6 cable. This is pure copper. I know a lot of people, when I talk to them about networking, to try to avoid the copper clad cable. So this is pure copper. And we got some hard drive caddies, just for the server and stuff like that. So
the GPU hanger. Misfit Mining and the Meterbox Company have partnered up to bring back the GPU hangers better than ever. The iconic Misfit Mining GPU hanger is now going to be PVC injection molded, making them stronger and more heat resistant than ever before. This project will be 100% community funded and produced once our goal is met. As a thank you for all your support, we are running a massive giveaway for the entire month of September, giving away over $7,000 in prizes like the iPolo V1 Mini, Mini Classic Plus, G1 Mini, tons of meter boxes, GPU hangers, and limited edition NFTs. Check out the new GPU hanger and enter this amazing giveaway. No purchase is necessary. You may also purchase additional items for even better chances to win. The GPU hanger contest is worldwide, extending through September 30th. Winners will be publicly announced on October 5th.
We are expecting the 48-port switch in, I believe, today or tomorrow. I'm not sure. I have to go check the tracking again. And in case of any of you guys had any questions, this is a Dell PowerEdge R620. It has two E5 2670 version 2 Xeons. It's 20 threads and 40 cores total with 128 gigs of RAM. Right now I have regular consumer grade drives in here until my enterprise grade drive come from eBay. I'm ordering 8 Intel 800 gig enterprise SSDs, so that'll fill up all these bays. Right now I have a 2 terabyte and a 256 gig just regular SSD from Silicon Power. As well as thank you everybody who helped me get this thing to work. Had some issues, appreciate it. Thank you Yeti and Wooly and Crypto Shaped for all your help. I expect the rails to be here in a couple of days, so not really sure where I'm going to be putting. I have one node on here right now, and it's not too loud yet, right? But we're not really utilizing a lot of these resources. So I want to get a bunch of nodes on here, kind of start filling this thing up a little bit, because I know that these 1U servers can get pretty loud. So I don't know if I want to put it in my house or do I need to, keep it out here in the garage kind of a thing. So I want to see how loud it's going to be. I got the wife and kids in there. I already got mining rigs in the kitchen and all over my house. So, you know how that is. Your wife's going to love you. So, yeah, man, this is my 25U StarTAC rack. It was pretty easy to build. I mean, it has wheels on it, and other than that, though, it's not anything fancy, right? It's just a open style 25U rack, which is fine. You don't need anything fancy. I want to run Cat 6 throughout my house, so I plan on doing that myself. So, which is going to be, I know, a huge pain. I've contemplated on whether or not to hire somebody to run the Cat 6. Just because I know how much of a pain it's going to be. But essentially I want every computer in the house to have its own dedicated Cat 6 line. I'll bring Cat 6 out here to the garage, all the bedrooms, and anywhere else that we need dedicated. I'm pretty much building out my home network. But yeah, guys, this is going to be my home network setup here. I do plan on getting maybe 1 or 2 more of these. I don't know about these particular models, because I would like to have one for a at-home Minecraft server for everybody. So I think that would be pretty cool. Let me know down in the comments down below. Are you guys doing home networking stuff? I know Panda, he's been doing some home networking, and he has his rack with all of his, his ubiquity, his Apple of networking. So let me know down in the comments down below. Are you guys doing this kind of stuff at home? Or are you guys just doing the home router, and you guys are calling it good, and you guys don't want to mess with any of this stuff? Anyways, guys, this is the Mining King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.